This video is all about making 2D animated characters. So if you're interested in that, let's go. This deer is a 2D rig. He can wiggle his ears and tail, and move parts of his body which are all grouped into what's called a bone layer. He can also blink his eyes, because he actually has two heads grouped into what's called a switch layer. We will cover switch layers and bone layers later. 2D characters can be drawn with any program that supports layers. And some animation programs include their own tools, such as vector drawing tools. Use whatever program you like. Remember to plan your character out and decide which parts will be moving. And draw those parts as separate layers. Okay, so you have your character finished and separated into layers. If you are using firealpaca, you can export all the layers into a folder by clicking File, then Export as Animation Mode. As you can see, there are many animation programs to choose from. These are only a few. Synfig Studio, Moho Debut and Cartoon Animator all three specialize in bone rigging for 2D characters. If you chose a program such as Moho Debut, you can simply create a new bone layer in the Layers tab. Then import the character you drew into that. Add bones and you are finished. 2D character rigs are fun to make. And they can be as simple or large as you want them to be. Here we see our character finally doing what he was created to do. I simply created two duplicates of him and added everything inside one group layer. Thank you for watching.